So I've never heard about Sonder at all until I came into this workplace. And we've had EAP providers, the traditional ones. Having a difficult conversation, hand them a business card. But then when I came on board and I was introduced to Sonder, and it's not just connecting with a counsellor or someone on the other line, it's the fact that Sonder offers so much more. Sonder gives us the opportunity as people leaders, and which I often use, is to do that proactive self-check. Requesting Sonder to make contact with some of our besties team members is a great tool, and we actively use that. It definitely has an impact. You invest in people, it translates in the business world. You look at it from an engaged workforce gives, they're productive, that all comes through, I'm sure, in the bottom line. If someone was considering Sonder, I would just say, just do it. I've said it before, it's not your ordinary EAP provider. If you want to give more value to your team members, I would strongly suggest looking at Sonder. Your team will thank you later.